Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's topic, we'll talk about on how we can learn a language in NotebookLM. So head over to NotebookLM and then you want to click on the create new notebook. Basically in here, you can paste articles, files, transcript, or anything similar. So in my case, I'm going to be uploading this article right here. This is only an example, but of course, once again, you can upload anything you want to. So I'm going to paste this onto the chat bar right here. And then I'm going to use something like extract the most useful vocabulary for daily conversation. So in that way, we'll be able to see vocabularies that will help us on conversations. And of course, you can then add something like translate to Tagalog. But if you're already learning English, you could just leave this at default. So in my case, I'm just going to hit on the send button and then it will simply do our prompt right here. Now, while our article is being uploaded, let me tell you why NotebookLM is superior to ChatGPT for research, studying, and analyzing documents, because it is grounded in our uploaded sources, providing high accuracy with a low hallucination rate with direct citation, unlike ChatGPT's general knowledge approach. Basically, NotebookLM provides structured learning tools. So, as we can see right here, it will then prompt us to this learning or the most common vocabulary that we can use. You could also add something like teach me common Tagalog sentence for daily social conversations. And then it will basically do that with our uploaded article. So you could just continue typing your prompt and basically from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.